Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram app not working or crashing issue on iPhone. So guys, if you are experiencing issues with the Instagram app not working on your iPhone, so guys don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will guide you from how to fix Instagram app not working or crashing on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is check for app update. Ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. You have to go to the App Store and then search here Instagram. And if you see an update, simply tap on it and update your Instagram to its latest version. If updating doesn't work, then you have to restart the Instagram app. Close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. To do this, you have to simply open the Instagram app on your iPhone and then close it and reopening it again. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the problem persists on both networks. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is just to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve app related issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then wait for few seconds and then restart it. After restarting, then you have to update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do delete and install your Instagram app. If none of the steps work, try deleting the Instagram app from your iPhone and then installing it from the App Store. This can sometimes resolve persistent issues with the app. So you have to simply go to the Instagram app and then tap and hold on it, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app and delete your Instagram app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Instagram app not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.